certain people with whom you meet, especially talking about these important terms like money and finances and career and all that planning and stuff. Maybe you start doubting, maybe you start questioning, maybe you even look at it and you feel whether it's really true and all or not. And then again, there are people whom you meet and you look at them talking, you look at them sharing, you look at them helping you, and you are able to feel that they're doing straight from the heart, straight from the soul. Now, the first time when I met Shyam sir, it was in a part of that community where we all belonged, and as I instantly felt while he was sharing how deeply is he passionate to serve all the souls, especially youngsters like me who are interested in starting with their finances right from the start. Now today I just had that 1 hour long. It just extended far beyond 1 hour, and that kind of shows the kind of commitment and dedication that this man has. Now, usually there are a lot of jargons with respect to finances, assets, liabilities, mutual funds, mid cap, higher cap, all these things. Now, I was something like something like a tip of an iceberg. That's the only thing that I know. But once he got into the whole game with me after the whole basic introduction, what he did is he explained to me not everything, but exactly what I needed to know. When we are getting into the whole investment, all we need to know is what is our money going to do to us? How can money work for us? And he broke every single thing down to such sheer simplicity that I stayed completely awestruck. And the best part is he's so transparent, he's so open, he's so genuine. He just tells you every single thing that you need to know. Every possible question that I had, every possible doubt that I had was answered in this session itself. I somehow feel that, well, heading into just finishing graduation and getting into my work right now, obviously all my finances are scattered here and there. You know how it is for a 24, 25-year-old, right? But when you have someone like a Shyam sir as your financial advisor to guide you step by step, you know you are in the safest of hands. You know that your money is being taken care of in the best possible way, is being invested in the right possible plan. And at the same time, you know that you have a member who's a part of your family. And that's what he makes you feel. That's what he made me feel. Right now, I know for sure I'm going to be getting a lot of amazing results thanks to this association with him. Thank you so much, Shyam sir, for this. I really have to tell you that I love you. I really revere you. I adore you. What you did for me today is something that I'm going to be indebted to you for the rest of my life. Thank you so much. And I want to make sure that I refer to more and more and more people, because this man can change your life. Thank you so much. This is Dr. Suryadeep, 2-time TEDx speaker, communication coach, dentist.